In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new sections in Todoist. This feature is a fantastic way to organize your tasks, giving your projects a more defined structure. Whether you're managing a personal project or a team task list, these sections can really streamline the process. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, you'll want to log into your Todoist account. You can do this using either a browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your projects and tasks, making it easy to start this organizational journey. Now, let's talk about sections in Todoist. Sections are a brilliant addition to your projects. They allow you to divide tasks into different categories or stages. This provides a clear and concise structure to your project, making it easier to track progress and manage tasks efficiently. With that in mind, navigate to the project where you'd like to add a section. Find the project on your list and open it up to view its content. It's important to have a project in mind where this structure can be beneficial, whether the project is for organizing your home renovation plans or managing tasks for a work assignment. Once you're in your chosen project, it's time to add a new section. You'll see the Add Section button prominently displayed within the project. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your section. This is where you can get creative and tailor the sections to fit your workflow. Think about how you want to organize your tasks. For example, you might name your sections To Do, In Progress, or Completed. These names help both you and anyone else involved in the project to understand the stages of work at a glance. After you've decided on a name, simply press enter. Just like that, your new section is created. It's really that simple. Once the section is in place, you can start adding tasks to it right away. This is where your organizational skills can shine as you move tasks around, create new ones, and prioritize based on the different sections. This new feature in Todoist really enhances project management by allowing a cleaner, more organized approach to your task lists. As you get comfortable with sections, you'll likely find that it becomes second nature to categorize your tasks in this manner, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to organize your projects using Todoist's new sections. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in your journey to mastering task management with Todoist.